Hey guys, it's Phon-Er, vlog 129, Ari Gold, and yesterday you saw a fight, Mcgregor and Mayweather. Mcgregor lost because I guess he was not ready for a boxing fight. At the same time, the fight was stopped, which was kind of crappy because it was a bad decision because, like you said, he should have been knocked out, not just like kind of ended it just because the referee was his old school, old time ref for Mayweather, so it's a very convenient calling, you know, so kind of crap. Anyways, but so I didn't really think the fight was fair, even though I knew that if they had gone to the 12th round, he was most likely gonna be lost based on a thing decision, you know. What is it that called? I forgot the word. But anyways, yeah, based on something decision, and but then he could have like knocked him out by a chance, which is always possible, and he could have recovered because knowing Mcgregor always he's been the one that always was able to recover from getting a little tired or getting fatigued, you know. So my point is that I thought the fight was cool. He was awesome. The first 5 rounds he had him, and that's something that we saw, like that was incredible because there's no really a UFC fighter that can actually do that. Like just go to boxing and box like a boxer. So, but I give him like already the winning flag for Phon-Er. And then as far as going for the victory, I mean, it wasn't really like all bad, but and so pretty much sorry, that's my mom. Pretty much that was that, and yeah, so now it's I didn't record a fight because I was just too busy rooting for my boy Mcgregor. So right now we're going to Coffee Bean to get some cough, and then today is the finale of Game of Thrones, so you best bet I'm watching it with my buddies, and I'm sure you're gonna watch it too because that's the legit the show ever. Like it's pretty dope. And I actually fixed an iPhone for a client that was that did the graphic animations for that show. He lived in West Hollywood, so kind of cool. He just told me like a few spoilers before even the thing started, but it was pretty dope. So anyways guys, I'm gonna do that. So today we have no repairs planned yet, and we may have 1 or 2 or 3 depending on. Last night it was a fight, so a lot of times people break their phones after the fight because they just go crazy or drink a lot and party out loud and about. So we'll see what happens, and we'll keep you posted, so stay tuned, and we'll be back with some cool action. Good morning guys, I'm back. This is Phon-Er Gold of vlog 129, and we are about to fix an iPad Air, black space gray. Here's the beast. Look what happened to it. The home button is totally smashed all around. The other part of the screen is smashed, so it's pretty much like a smashed project that we're kind of gonna. The only good news is that the LCD withstood, so we're only gonna change the glass, which is cool, and it costs less money for the person. I charged her a super low deal because she's my frequent customer. So instead of charging her $130 or how Apple does it, like Apple for this repair they charge $249 minimum, and if it's a little higher model like iPad Air 2 they charge like $400 or $500. So my point being is that I only charge these people, if I tell you you're gonna laugh, $80, which is like it's not heard of anywhere in the Apple shop history, but just because I like to keep my customers happy and loyal, and I want to show my own appreciation and grace for their loyalty, so that's what they get. So that's what you know, and now you know. Okay guys, so we're about to break this thing through and get this thing out and put a new one. The new screen is right here, all dandy and ready, brand new, ready to be placed on. First, and the thing about this on the iPad, we use very little screws, only to remove the flex cable cover. That's the only time that we actually use a Phillips screwdriver. Otherwise, all we use is heat gun, which I recommend using the 2 speeds. I only use it on the 1 always because so it'll be less heat and not too much, and it does the job well. I use Black & Decker because I trust the company. They're well known, and they actually work, and the thing lasts for a long time. So, and the second thing that I use is just really smart, so you won't damage anything or scratch the LCD, is pack of cards. That's the best thing to do. Reason why, because once we get through the screen from the top or from any angle, we use this to raise it up a little bit after hitting it up. So we first will hit it up, get a little access from any side of the screen. I recommend the top because that's just my favorite spot. Less wires, so I will start from the top where the selfie cam is, and then once I get through, then I just put these things through and I just like slide it all around with the heat gun, and the thing just pops out without having to put too much scratches on the frame of the iPad or even breaking anything else, or putting a scratch on the LCD, which is a really bad thing to do. Very not cool. So yeah, so let's do this and check it out. Enjoy the show, and thank you for watching. This is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 129. Enjoy. Thanks. Okay, so there you go. First thing first, I gotta take my shades off so I can see what I'm doing here and turn this on. I'm just gonna take out a few cards, have it ready, like 2-3 of them. Start the job. Hey guys, we finally were able to make the iPad, turn on. The touch works and everything works, as you can see. So, but I don't know what the password is, but it doesn't matter, everything works. So, this enough going all around it just gives us the indication that all parts of the digitizer is working. That's about it. This is iPad Air. Fixed that everything works. And the battery is holding charge. It's great. That'll do for the iPad Air Digitizer repair. And thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and that was an iPad Air screen replacement, Digitizer glass replacement, not the LCD, so that's about it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video or vlog. Thank you. Peace, cut. The wrap.